Today we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15 Test 1 the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. In some countries, owning a home rather than renting one is very important for people. Why might this be the case? And do you think that this is a positive or a negative situation? Now this 40-minute 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why people may prefer to own homes. In para 2, say if you feel that this is positive or negative. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and the vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, describe the topic. The statement mentions the preference of the people of some countries to be homeowners rather than to be home renters. In this essay, I will discuss some possible reasons for people having this opinion and why I feel that this is a positive as well as negative situation. And para 1, discuss why people may prefer to own homes. There are a number of people who feel that they would rather purchase the home that they intend to live in rather than to live in rented accommodation. This may be because in a way they feel more connected with the domestic space that they occupy and can decorate it in the manner that they deem fit. On the other hand, they may not feel emotionally attached towards a rented home. Moreover, for many, it is a matter of pride to own a home. They feel that it is a matter of good social standing. And para 2, say if you feel that this is positive or negative. Now, being a homeowner has a number of benefits. The person who buys a home is secured against the possibility of the increase of the value of property. Moreover, any increase in the capital value of the property is to the benefit of the homeowner. A negative aspect of owning a home, though, would be that the locality in which one resides in may no longer be suitable to them. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, there are many reasons for why people in some countries prefer to own the homes that they live in as opposed to renting one. And this situation could be considered to have positive as well as negative outcomes. Now the next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.